Hey guys, welcome back to This Week at UBC. So the first event we have is, you know what, let's just go inside. I'm way too cold. Seed dispersing animals are way cool because by moving seeds around, they help plants succeed in life by having as many offspring as possible. Join Ellen Anderson, a visiting professor from Mexico, at the Beaty Way Cool lecture series to find out more. Join Liu Institute visiting fellow Dr. Karen Snatter on a talk about modern slavery. This presentation will explore the scope of the problem around the world and here in Canada. More research and evaluation is needed to understand the impact of anti-prosecution, protection, and prevention interventions. Ever heard of WebVR but was really not quite sure what it was? The Emerging Media Lab presents a WebVR workshop. WebVR is an experimental JavaScript API that provides support for a variety of virtual reality devices. In this presentation, you'll be able to create an interactive tour of Beaty Biodiversity Museum. Common Energy UBC is collaborating with BC Tiny House Collective. They will be hosting a documentary screening of a highly acclaimed film by a local director, Vancouver, No Fixed Address. Following the documentary, there will be a discussion panel, so make sure you check it out. Kick off your 2018 race season with BC's longest running triathlon. The swimming segment of the race will take place inside the UBC Aquatic Centre, and the event overall takes place at UBC's wonderful campus. There's something for everyone, so make sure you sign up or check it out. And that's it here for another week here at UBC. For more events, be sure to check out the calendar at events.ubc.ca for more information. See you next week.